Hey, fellow bloggers, businessmen, and ambitious entrepreneurs. If hosting your website on Hostinger is on your mind, then congratulations, you've chosen one of the best platforms out there, and this video is going to make your journey even more inspiring and enjoyable. I'm excited to present two fantastic Hostinger discount opportunities today. The first is my personal Hostinger referral code that delivers a straight 20% discount on any hosting plan you pick. The second is the coupon code DARREL10, which gives you 10% off. Between the two, the 20% referral discount is clearly the smarter and more useful choice, and I'm here to guide you through the entire process step by step. This informative video includes my hosting a referral links in the description box, neatly organized by country in ascending order, complete with local languages and currencies for your convenience. Simply choose your country's link and you'll land directly on the official Hostinger website in the most calming way possible. On the homepage, click on the products and services option in the navbar. You'll see all the amazing hosting plans and services listed there. The best part, my 20% referral discount is valid across every single plan and service Hostinger offers. For this demonstration, I am going with the web hosting section and selecting the business web hosting plan, which is ideal for serious online growth. As you proceed to checkout, you'll notice the 20% discount has been applied automatically. It feels almost magical and truly heartwarming. Enjoy this fantastic saving, my friend. And here's a small but important tip: always create and use a brand new email address that you've never used with Hostinger before to make sure everything goes smoothly. If this video helped you and felt truly useful, please show some love by liking it and subscribing to the official Hostinger coupon code channel. I truly appreciate your support. Stay inspired, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.